I could see in my entrepreneurship journey, if you see the cold prospects, okay, matlab, who
Ah,
are very strangers or like that. So
yeah,
how can we convert into sales? Because there will be no relationship,
yeah,
correct? When we show the presentation like that, people, I mean, the ratios and the law of average will be might be very less when compared to the warm zone like that.
correct.
So how can you actually do in that way in network marketing or affiliate marketing? Most people are strangers only.
Yeah.
So how can we actually convert all those leads into some quality leads, and that conversion should convert into some sales. So
One
what are your inputs on this?
one myth I would like to shatter it down on the cold prospects in any kind of business, especially if you're trying to do it on the online.
Yeah.
Cold is faster and easier to close. It is exactly the
Okay.
opposite. Why? Because
Okay.
they are completely fresh. Okay, they don't have a clue, but they got that curiosity thing, so that they got in with us into our world.
Yeah.
So once they got into it, now the thing is establish the trust and the relationship for a limited period of time, and then from that to start from trust to continuous business relationship. So that process we can do it within like 7 to 10 days. There is a system to do it within 7 to 10 days.
Okay.
Like for example, day one, like completely right. Let's say we just met each other today or whatever. Like we got connected with the messenger or whatever, and then it's completely cold. I don't know about you, you don't know about me at all,
Exactly.
right? So we can send one clue I'm going to give, like first thing is, hey, let's say we are into the internet marketing industry. We have to see the commonality, which is the commonality we are just got into it together. Let's say we are into internet marketing industry, we need to do it. Would you be definitely interested that, hey, best of internet marketers, top 10 people who did it already, you would love to receive that information to learn more, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
Correct.
day one, you can send the best of person A and best of person B. Day three, person C. Day four, person four. So like that, 4 to 5 persons you send it, not asking any sale, nothing like that. And then the fifth day, we are talking about what you have learned from that person A, B, C, and D on the fifth day. And then
Okay.
sixth day you're offering, hey, would you be willing to know more, or like would you want to learn more about that stuff? Again, no selling.
Okay. Okay.
9 out
That's
of
right.
10 people say yes, I want it,
Yeah.
if they had gone through that.
So before we pitching into this, I mean, our business opportunity, we are actually making him understand what is the best thing over there. Is it?
Yes, yes. So if they want to learn about it, now they are in the mindset that, hey, yes, they are in a posture of becoming an entrepreneur on the long term, and they want to learn, and then they are hungry about it. We got that thing like day 5. Then we are offering on the day 6, hey, welcome to my team. Would you like to join my team so that I can give you the tips and strategies and everything? You can just follow it.
Yeah. Correct.
They say yes.
Yeah.
It's the open ratio is almost like 100% if gone through 1 to day 4.
Yeah.
So now
Correct.
they have come. We can submit, give an application that, hey, your name, number, email ID, whatever it is, which is required for you to make them as a downline.
Yeah. Correct.
Tentatively, you think like it is a name, number, email ID minimum,
Yeah. Yeah.
and off,
Yeah. Yeah.
like in the beginning, like that should be good enough. That is considered as a lead.
Exactly.
Huh. So they
Yeah.
have
Correct.
joined you, but they have not become active. They have just joined you. They have not become a purchase or something else.
Yes.
Right? Then after that, the second week, like one week has happened. Like the second week, all you need to do is same thing. I'm going to give you the free website and free technical lead generation systems, and then I'll also give you the system where if you hate talking to your friends and family, it's no problem. So, but still you can start recruiting. Like we need
Okay.
to cover the pain points, how so that if you're really ideal and you already had the bad experience of MLM, but you don't, I mean, you might be lost with the leader who is not training you properly or something, but the MLM industry is not the bad. in your mind. So
Exactly.
that is
Yeah,
a right kind of mindset person. They have to
true.
become our downline.
Very much true.
Then they become a downline.
Exactly.
Then you give the training, everything as an automated training where you get the lead generation, everything. I will teach you how to get the all the people, the cold people, and then whatever I am doing it, if you're really active, if you work for 2 to 3 hours or whatever it is as a minimum commitment, okay, I'm going to train you all these things, and then on top of that I will add people under you. How many will say no to that?
Got it. Got
This
it. Got
is
it.
crazy thing.
Yeah, correct.
And
Exactly.
then now I'm adding it, okay, I'm adding it, and then all I need is when the leads are coming, 1 to 2
Yeah.
leads, I'm going to give you mentorship, and then together we'll do a calls, and the remaining thing I want you to take the calls. You do it, you go ahead and close. You don't need to close, like you need to talk to them exactly what I spoke with you. That's the duplication
Hmm.
thing, and then you need to send that link so that they also get the training. They got recruited.
Yeah, correct.
So like that, if they
Yeah.
do it, it's a recruiting autopilot machine. All new
Yeah.
onboarding thing coming. So like every 5 days or 6 days, they are coming onboarding. They are coming onboarding. But within 5 days or 6 days, you will come to know they are ready to get onboarded. They are really interested. They have taken the action or not. If they're not taking action, probably we'll run another campaign where not the best of what the stuff we send it to them on the first 5 days. Next, I will send it something around, hey, like this is the like worst case scenario, like worst thing about the industry, like why people are not making money, all the polarity wise, not the best, the worst thing.
Yeah.
That is a second
Great.
sequence of 5 days campaign. And again, if they attracted to that, the same thing applies. So that is a duplicatable
Okay.
system, and then it runs on its own automatically.
Yeah. Correct. This is a campaign, or how it will be? This one, whatever you said right now.
So this we can do it completely on a digital marketing software, or we can do it something like an automated webinar and the mailing automation included with the webinar automated. So this all three things included, we can do this so that it don't take more of a time. Where people
Okay.
are ready, people who wanted to get into MLM itself, they mention it because they know that they can't advertise MLM word in the internet.
Correct. Correct. Exactly.
So it has to be, they have to build a relationship. There is no way.
Exactly. That's a core thing in the direction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's like all the three things, whatever might be the thing, it might be either it has to be a health industry, it might be related to wealth, or it might be in relationships. So they have to find
Yeah.
that particular niche and then start doing the things.
Exactly. So one question I got when I was doing my affiliate marketing.
Yeah,
So in the training, I literally understood that you should reach out to the people who literally are into affiliate marketing. Okay, who are already
exactly.
doing affiliate marketing.
Yes.
So I did not really understand. Yeah, I understood they are interested in whether it's a network marketing, I should go with them, or affiliate marketing, I should go with them. I literally did not understand what is the thing, why we should approach those people instead of the people who are not even doing any network marketing or affiliate marketing, because
Okay.
they are also doing affiliate marketing, I'm also doing. Why would they come to me? Because they will tell theirs is good, I'll tell mine is the best one. So what is the thing here? What is the better way?
Yeah, there is a two aspects of it. See, first one is obviously when it comes to the MLM or network marketing thing, same applies in affiliate marketing also. Like people
Exactly.
are already there in company one or company two or company three, whatever might be the company. It doesn't matter about the company. And then even
Yeah.
like if they are not achieving, they will give, hey, learn about the product, get the product knowledge and all. But I
Hmm.
don't think personally the leaders who are in crown and above, diamond level and above, and whatever the company might be, they are not selling product.
Yeah.
They are
Yeah.
obviously they're not doing it. But what exactly they're doing it
They
is
will not do.
they are
They will not
creating
do.
the content and then passing down the influence to the people so that it is happening
Exactly.
automatically.
Yeah. Correct.
So what is that thing they are doing? that I need to do it. But it is only like a secret, kind of a secret society applicable only for them, not with the down people or the beginners. So that has to be done. In order to do that,
Okay.
why, coming back to the question, like why on the already existing people, not the
Yeah.
completely new crowd is,
Other people.
huh?
Yeah.
So existing people might be joined any other company. Why
Hmm.
in the first place they have joined this industry or any industry? Because it's already they became cold to warm automatically.
Hmm.
They're already in
Yeah.
the warm, but whatever one particular thing or some tactics or some knowledge gap or some mentorship gap, they couldn't able to break the paradigm to make money.
Hmm.
They are convinced about the industry, they joined, but they couldn't able to go to the next level. That is their problem. So if you already existing industry, so
Hmm.
you already, I mean, you also know that they don't join companies, they join people first, right? They don't join companies basically.
Yeah.
Company is just a kind of a
Usually
vehicle,
one people.
but they join people.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
what is that this person as a leader who is offering me where I couldn't able to achieve in the previous thing? That is their biggest pain.
Hmm.
If
Yeah.
we couldn't
Correct.
able to give solution for that, they're going to
Yeah.
join our downline 100%. Same thing in the affiliate marketing also.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. But yeah, that is very much true. Then how to deal with the normal normal prospect? Some will tell, I don't have this, I don't have time or money, or some lot of excuses they will be giving out. So do you
Uh,
think those are the potential prospects?
See, the potential prospects is always like for example, if we want to sell it online, services as an agency owner, let's say I want to build a website and also offer website services to the business owners. There are two
Yeah.
things. One, I can go down to the street and then ask for, hey, I'm going to create a website for you, your business, you don't have a website right now. That is one. Second thing is, I can see their website. It is not, it is a terrible website I have seen, and then tell them, hey, this is the things you need to fix it so that it will be better performance for you. Because now it's zero, you will get something if you fix this thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Correct.
it is better to person who is already having a website, but it is not in a correct way, than completely from creating from scratch.
Yeah.
So same thing we
Correct.
will be
Correct.
doing it. So
Yeah.
same thing applies here as well.
Got it. Got it. Yeah. My last question.
Yeah.
So overall, in this online marketing or affiliate, it might be network marketing. What is the one thing that is very much important to make it successful for a person? In fact, for a distributor, in fact, for a marketer, what is that the one major thing that he has to concentrate on?
So they have to concentrate more on the consistent effort they are putting it, the quality of that they are putting it, and then they have to take care of the fulfillment. Whatever they promise, they want to give it. If they can't able to give it, they need to publicly apologize. It doesn't matter, but they can come back again. But there is no shy or something like that. There is again a second chance, but not doing it will be costlier than that.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay.
They
Thank
have
you
to
so much,
focus on
Krishna.
that.
That
Yeah.
was yeah, yeah. Yeah. So yeah, we got even I got some lot of great inputs from you, like regarding cold and regarding the niche, whatever we follow. That was really tremendous. I got very good inputs, in fact. Okay, I'll just talk to you on the same. The niche, whatever you're talking about, some training program and all. I'll just get back to you on that. And thank you so much for for your patience to tell all these questions, whatever the things that is there. Yeah, thank you so much for this
Yeah,
wonderful
and
session.
it's all grateful to the person who is already like how I got the input and all those stuff. With this system, so I just wanted to reveal the number. Like he has created with this system 10,000 people downline
That's amazing. That's amazing. That's
without
amazing.
the actual live presence.
So that's actually a training program, is it?
Like he has done this whole automated system, and then all the downlines are going to consume it and then duplicate it automatically. So he will not be putting his main thing because that he has created as a backend system. This front end he is having multiple businesses.
Okay. Okay. That's wonderful.
And
That's great.
for the viewers of your audience in the future, are like this is the thing. So why network marketing or like affiliate marketing or anything, if they want to do it, they need to focus more on the automation, because like they can use on the artificial intelligence tools available on the market. It will drastically improve their business, instead of just if they don't get an appointment or meet face to face, so it is not possible, it is very hard, all those stuff, that paradigms can be broken easily. Yeah.
Correct. Correct. Yeah.
Okay, that's it from my end.
Yeah, that's all from my end as well. And thank you so much for everything, in fact. And yeah, that is what it is.
Yeah, thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.
Yeah.
Thank you.